Hey, good day everyone. Check out this outdoor wood pellet patio heater I have here, model CSL 500. Here's everything that came in the box. And the first step is to attach piece 17 to piece 18. The directions tell us to use 4 B fasteners, which is fine. There's actually the B and the C are swapped, so these are actually the B and then this is the C, and I know that because they did a good job of listing the part numbers and the directions here. All right, there's what the B fasteners look like with that flat head on there. There it is, piece 17 to piece 18. Okay, got piece 18 here, another flat piece, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing at this side. Okay, got both of those sides on there. Now the same way we put these 2 sides on with those same screws, we're gonna go ahead and put piece 19 on here too. It's just gonna go just like that. And we'll screw it all the way in, up each side. This step's gonna take 8 screws. All right, got that front piece on, all 8 screws, 4 in each side. Okay, the next step involves this handle right here, and then this fastener right there. And this is actually a C fastener, labeled as a B fastener in the packet, but it's the only one. Now I got that just placed in there, and then I'll go ahead and slide my fastener in there and tighten it down. All right, got the handle on there. Now I'll go ahead and take the tape off this front cover. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take it and turn it upside down so we can put this piece on right here. This piece here, you can see it's labeled front right there. This is the front, so it's gonna go on just like that. And now we'll go ahead and put all our fasteners in. Okay, that's gonna take 9 of these fasteners. You can see they just go right in the side there, all around the thing. All right, got all the fasteners on that one. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and attach this piece, and the slot goes towards the front. It even has a sticker on there that says front. Still got this thing turned upside down. It's just gonna sit right over that hole right there. And you can see it's gonna line up right there with those fasteners. We're gonna use fasteners A for this one. Okay, there's the next step, and the U stands for up. We're gonna use 8 of these A fasteners. How this is gonna work, these things are gonna go on just like that. There's one, go ahead and do the same with that side. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take both of these pieces and put them together, and we're gonna use fasteners A. We're gonna put one right here after we slide it in there, and same thing there. There we go, got both of those sides put together. Okay, we still got this piece upside down. Now we'll take this, it's gonna go on here just like this. We're gonna go ahead and use those A fasteners for each corner. All right, I got that bottom piece on, the wheels. Got 2 of those fasteners in each corner. Okay, now we'll take that piece with the kind of square base and just take this and go over that. We're gonna use 4 of these A fasteners. Okay, got those screws in there. Now go ahead and put those B screws all around here. All right, I got all 8 screws all around there, all installed, 2 on each side. Okay, next we got the hopper here. We're gonna take 2 of these A screws and just put them in here, but we're only gonna go down a couple threads. We wanna leave them loose because that thing's gonna hook into this thing with using these. These pieces here are gonna go here and here, and then this is gonna go in there. Now what we're gonna do is in here, I'm gonna go ahead and take these fasteners there and put them there, and then tighten those 2 down as well. Okay, now I'll take this handle here and just thread it right down there onto the damper. All right, I had to take my operation outside because it's getting too tall. So let's take this, put it right on here. Go ahead and use these A fasteners and screw it in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and fasten that top right on there. All right, got the A fasteners on there now. All right, now we'll go ahead and put this chunk here, right here. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and put this piece in. Now this piece will be next. And this piece. And we got the poker here, and we'll go ahead and set it on the side of the hopper just like that. We'll go ahead and put our pellets right back here. You can see how this damper works. You can see when you put the thing, allow more pellets in there. There, just lets a few in. All right, let's go ahead and add our pellets. What we're gonna do is leave that damper all the way down. Now we'll go ahead and pull this shut lever all the way up. There we go. Well, I'm really impressed at how clean burning this thing is. And once these pellets get going, it's great. Been burning now for about 15 minutes. Really not too much smoke coming out of the top. Really clean burning, like that.